Next lock that I will attempt to open is this massive master lock. It's the number 230 and it's brand new. I got it from Mexico, works perfectly, really nice lock if I have to say, for a master lock. That's the key beating. Not bad at all, not bad at all, quite challenging. What I believe is inside is that there are actually some serrated pins on this thing. So this lock can be, at least for me, it can be quite challenging. So let's see if I can do something with it. So this was number 2, number 3 gave a small click, number 4 gave a click, let's see number 5, come on number 5, that was number 3, that was number 2 again, number 1, nothing from number 1. That was number 1. That was number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Come on then. Two, 3, 4. I've released some because maybe I overset something. And open, finally. Okay, so let's quickly cut it. So it seems to be an Allen screw. Be right back. See if I have probably not work, but not this one. Yeah, this one will work. Okay. Okay, I forgot my pinning tray. Just not ready this morning for such things. So, my new pin tray from Adrian Weber. Okay. that's the core, the inside. Let's not remove these bars. So just a standard 5-pin core. There's even no shielding here on the back. Okay. This is the one that was crimped on the side, so if I'm turn it so sideways, I guess I should be able to remove the core, or not. Okay, let's lock it, and I will use the key. See what we can do. So yeah, like that. Okay. So I don't have such a follower, so I will just use the plug as a follower, just to make sure where is what. Okay, so I will do it like that. Okay. So starting on the back, this is standard. Number 4 is standard. Number 3 is a standard. Oh, sure, he was a serrated one. 2 is a standard. Okay, now I'm ashamed. Number 1 is also standard. Okay, so let's pull this. Standard, 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 and a shameful standard. Okay, well, for a master lock that has only standard pins, and I really thought I felt some serrations here, did a quite good fight. Okay, good. Thank you for watching, guys. Keep it legal. See you in the next video.